Yeah, so now I'm gonna now explain to you the final video of this Clickbank stuff, right? After we have created that our landing page and we want to go promote it, now we're gonna come type one site here, Udemy. This is where you're now gonna go buy traffic. Okay, you're gonna go buy traffic. Okay, it's a free site to join, except you want to buy traffic and promote something. So what am I gonna promote? You see, Asian Japanese tonic, melt 56 lbs. This is my landing page. This is my landing page. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, you see this landing page. Now I'm going to pick it up. Copy. I will pick up this landing page. Okay. Let me test it. Yeah, it's working fine. Now, I will get on here in Udemy. I will click on find sellers. You know that if you have gotten yourself a very good setup of any business strategy, you can continue to promote it year after year, non-stop. Okay. This is Udemy. This is where you'll find your people. Okay. Now, because I'm here now on Udemy homepage, then I'm going to come to keywords and I'm going to click on, I'm going to type the keyword here, weight loss. Those people that they are selling clients that have interest in weight loss issues. We come out. Look at this lady. Clickbank product. Weight loss. She will deliver you traffic. She will deliver you traffic and you will make sales. Now, let's see what I'm going to do if I have to do anything right here, right now. Let's say I have interest in promoting this weight loss thing. Okay. What I'm going to do first is I will go back to that spy tool where I saw that ad. Then I will click on it, Okinawa. Okay. What I want to do now is I want to copy this thing, the headline. I want to copy that headline again. I want to go into my sheet now. Okay, this is Asian Japanese tonic melt 54 lbs fat. Watch video now. Okay, now see, I will now say watch video now. See, now what I'm going to do is I will now copy this, copy it without the landing page. I will now go back to that Udemy. I will go into text, add text. Okay, I want to add a text. First of all, I want to add a text. Now, that text I want to add is add new swipe. I'm going to click on that. Add new swipe. You can see I've been doing this for so long. I have a lot of swipe on things. So I will add new swipe. Then what I'm doing, just paste that thing I copied. I'm going to just paste it. Let me copy it again. Copy and paste. Copy it and then can paste it somewhere. Control V. Paste it. So I'm going to highlight this watch video now.